Welcome. In this lesson, we will explore the ignition system, a vital part of any petrol engine. Understanding how it works is a key skill for any auto electrician in Nigeria, helping to fix everything from cars to generators. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the main job of the ignition system and explain the role of its most important parts. For an engine to run, it needs to burn an air-fuel mixture. The ignition system's primary purpose is to provide the spark that ignites this mixture at precisely the right moment, creating the power that moves the vehicle. The system takes the low voltage from the car's battery and transforms it into a very high voltage to create this powerful spark. Let's look at the components that make this happen. Here is a basic layout of a conventional ignition system. We will now examine the purpose of each part, starting with the power source. First, we have the battery, which is the source of low voltage power for the system. The ignition switch acts as the main control, completing the circuit when you turn the key. The heart of the system is the ignition coil. Its purpose is to act as a step-up transformer, converting the battery's low 12 volts into thousands of volts needed to create a spark. This transformation happens when the circuit is rapidly broken. The contact breaker points open and close to interrupt the current to the coil. The condenser's purpose is to prevent arcing at the points and help the coil's magnetic field collapse quickly, creating a stronger spark. Next is the distributor. Its purpose is to distribute the high voltage electricity to the correct cylinder at the correct time. The spinning rotor arm inside makes contact with terminals in the distributor cap, directing the spark. Finally, high tension leads, or spark plug wires, carry this high voltage to the spark plugs. The spark plug's purpose is to create the actual spark inside the engine's combustion chamber. Let's quickly review the main components. The battery provides power. The coil steps up the voltage. The contact breaker triggers the coil. The distributor directs the spark, and the spark plug delivers it. Knowing the purpose of each component is essential for diagnosis. If a bus in Lagos cranks but won't start, a good mechanic knows to check for a spark. No spark could mean a faulty coil, distributor, or contact points. This knowledge saves time and helps get vehicles back on the road. You have now learned the purpose of the ignition system and its key components. This foundational knowledge is the first step towards diagnosing and repairing one of the most important systems in a vehicle.